Jumping on a trendy topic, intermittent fasting and fat loss. For some reason, I'm getting all the intermittent fasting gurus on my Explore page on Instagram preaching about how amazing intermittent fasting is for fat loss instead of a calorie deficit. Which isn't true, by the way. Like, anyone that says intermittent fasting works without a caloric deficit doesn't understand the basic laws of thermodynamics. But that's a video for a different day. Instead, I'm going to explain to you how intermittent fasting does work for fat loss, as I'm actually a big fan if it works into your lifestyle and schedule, but might not be for the reason you think. Intermittent fasting for fat loss kind of works like trying to pull a bird in a club. It's a bit of a numbers game. The more you talk to, the higher your chance that you'll hook up with somebody. And intermittent fasting kind of works like this. If you reduce your eating window to 6 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours, there's a good chance you're going to consume less calories. You didn't transcend physics or even reverse the basic laws of thermodynamics. You just gave yourself a shorter window of time to eat, meaning you probably consume less calories. And that put you into a calorie deficit, which supported your fat loss. It's exactly like trying to pull in a club. If you're a super attractive guy or a smoking hot girl, you'll probably pull the first 1 or 2 people you speak to, which is the physiological equivalent of having a very fast metabolism. But if you look like the average person, you're probably going to have to talk to a few people. And intermittent fasting and fat loss work similar. If you reduce the amount of time that you give yourself to eat food, you'll probably consume less calories and support your deficit. So anybody you hear that says intermittent fasting is better than a calorie deficit, just keep scrolling.